Stop the blaming. Get the simple tool for owning your choices today. Hey kids, do you ever do something wrong and then try to blame someone else so you don't get into trouble? This story is for you. Pip the Puffin's mistake map marker. On a rocky, windswept island lived a cheerful black and white puffin named Pip. Pip loved to play exciting games, but he had a little habit. When things went wrong, he would quickly find someone else to blame so he wouldn't get in trouble. One sunny morning, Pip was playing catch the fish with his friend, a little seal named Silas. They were supposed to throw the fish gently into a bucket, but Pip got too excited and threw his fish with all his might. Splosh! The fish missed the bucket completely and landed right on Papa Puffin's head, making his best hat fall into the water. Papa Puffin looked very surprised and a little grumpy. "Pip, what happened to my hat?" Pip looked at Papa, then at Silas. A fast, slippery idea popped into his head. "It was Silas, Papa. He made me laugh and bumped my elbow." Pip chirped quickly, pointing his wing at Silas. As soon as the words left his beak, Pip felt a squiggly, uncomfortable knot twist in his tummy. It was the Blame Blob. The blob told him, "You are safe now, but you know you lied." Silas will be sad. This blob will keep wiggling until you tell the truth. But it's too late now. This squiggly feeling made his fun feel yucky. He saw Silas look sad and confused, and Pip felt bad for making his friend feel blamed. He felt he had nothing to do, nothing to feel except nervous shame. His calm Mama Puffin, who was watching from a rock, saw the whole thing. She noticed Pip squirming and Silas looking hurt. "Pip, my speedy fisher," Mama Puffin said softly, "I see the blame blob has tangled up your tummy." Blaming others feels easy for a second, but it makes everyone feel bad later. When you make a mistake, you need to show your honesty and bravery. It's time for the simple tool for taking responsibility. "A tool? But I don't want to get in trouble, Mama," Pip mumbled, looking down at his feet. "Taking responsibility means you are brave enough to own your part of the story, and then you get to help make things right," Mama explained. "You need a way to clearly see what you did. It's called the mistake map marker." Mama Puffin taught him the powerful, simple tool for honesty and problem solving. Stop the blame. Immediately stop pointing your wing or making excuses. Freeze your body. Find your spot. Close your eyes and imagine a map of what happened. Think of your part, the exact moment you did something that contributed to the mistake. Put an imaginary mistake marker right on that spot. Own and offer. Open your eyes, look at the person you blamed or affected. Clearly state your part of the mistake, and then ask, "I marked my mistake. How can I help fix it?" Pip decided to try it. He forced his wing to stop pointing. Stop the blame. He took a deep, calming breath. Find your spot. He closed his eyes. He saw the map. Silas was there, Papa was there, but it was me who threw the fish too hard. He put a bright, imaginary mistake marker right on himself. Own and offer. He opened his eyes and looked at Papa, then at Silas. "Papa," he said, taking a brave breath, "I marked my mistake. I threw the fish too hard, and it hit your hat. I'm so sorry." Then he looked at Silas. "I'm sorry I blamed you, Silas." He asked Papa, "How can I help fix it?" Papa Puffin nodded. "Thank you for being honest, Pip. You can go fetch my hat from the water, please." Pip quickly fetched the hat. Silas smiled, knowing Pip told the truth. Because Pip used his mistake map marker, he felt lighter and happier, even though he had to do a chore. He learned that telling the truth always feels better than blaming someone else. He learned that the greatest hero wasn't the puffin who never made a mistake, but the one who was brave enough to use his mistake map marker and make things right. The greatest hero of this story is you. You just unlocked the secret to self-respect. The mistake map marker. The next time you make a mistake, remember to stop the blame, find your spot, and say, I marked my mistake. How can I help fix it? If this simple story and the mistake map marker helped your child learn to take responsibility for their actions and make amends, help us share this vital emotional intelligence tool with other families. Subscribe and share this episode so every child can learn the strength of honesty and problem solving.